This is the Mini 3 Pro and is actually the last sub 250 that I have actually bought. So I have not bought a Mini 4 Pro or the Mini 4K or whatever it is that came out afterwards, because I didn't really see the point, because I always said that the next sub 250 that I buy is going to have a 1-inch sensor. Have my prayers been answered? It looks like it. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Good to see you. Sorry, it has been a while. I have been rather busy over the summer. I've been doing quite a lot and I've been travelling a lot, and I'm in the middle of my holiday right now as well, but I thought I'd make this video for you. So we're going to be talking about a leaked image that came out, and this has been released by John Coopy. Now, many of you will know who John Coopy is. If you don't know who John Coopy is, shame on you. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Make sure you follow him. He's a great guy and he's got some very good tips of FPV and whatnot as well. Anyway, this leaked image which came out from him shows that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is on the way. Now, you know, we all have the same kind of specs on this. You know, it's 120 frames per second at 4K. But the big standout thing with this is that it looks like we're going to get a 1-inch sensor. Now, this is the biggest thing for me. I've always said that the next sub 250 I buy after the Mini 3 Pro will be a sub 250 with a 1-inch sensor. And this looks like now it's going to come to fruition. And I'm very happy with this, because this is a drone that we can actually do something with. Now, many of you are obviously happy with your Mini 4 Pro, and it's a great drone. Don't get me wrong, it is a good drone. Like this Mini 3 Pro, it is a good drone. But we need that little bit more image quality, and especially in urban environments if we don't have the ability to fly with heavier drones, because some of the stuff that we do, we really need to get that better image. And some of the software that we're using demands to have a 1-inch sensor. Now that means, again, we don't have the SDK, and I doubt there will be an SDK for the Mini 5 Pro, but at least it's a step in the right direction. So what's going to happen after that? Well, I would really like to see that we have an enterprise drone which would be class 1, you know, which would be under 900 grams, which would be fantastic. It would give us the ability to do better things in urban environments and stuff like that. So I can see where this is going now, and I'm very happy to see that that a Mini 5 Pro or even a Mini series, even a sub 250, is having a smaller sensor. It just means that these drones are getting smaller, lighter, and a bit more capable. And if they have SDK, then it's also a bonus. So Mini 5 Pro, 1-inch sensor, you're going to get some fantastic images, you're going to get some great video out of that. I think it's going to be amazing, and it's certainly going to be something that I will be buying if this comes out, because the Mini 3 Pro is great. It really is. The Mini 4 Pro, I'm sure, is fantastic as well. But, you know, like my wife always says, size matters. Thanks everyone, we'll see you on the next video. Please let me know what you think down below. Do you think that the Mini 5 Pro is on the way and will have a 1-inch sensor? How about other specs? What are you looking forward to? Please let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.